In this tutorial, we'll take a look at your settings for your mail. I'm going to go up to my upper right-hand corner of my screen and click on Settings. This takes me into a window that gives me several tabs I can go through and change information on. The first tab is my General tab, and you can see I can change things like how many messages I want to show up per page. Do I want keyboard shortcuts to be turned off or on? I can also do things like add a profile picture or a signature in this tab. If we scroll down, you can see I can even add an out-of-office message if I am going to be gone for any length of time. Notice if you change anything, you'll want to click Save Changes before moving on. Under the Accounts tab, you can add additional email accounts to be checked in this account. You can simply click Add another email address. For example, I have a personal Gmail account. I could have that be checked in this account as well. If I have an email account, say that's a personal account like from Internet Montana or Bresnan, I could add that account as well and check that email through here. I can also change my generic Google account settings, like my password or access to other services. In a previous tutorial, we talked about the Labels menu and how we can show or hide or create new labels. In the Filters tab, we're able to set up rules in our email. For example, if we want email from a specific person to go directly into a folder, or email from a specific person to be starred so we can find it easily. Those are what filters are. If I want to forward my mail, I can do that under the Forwarding and POP/IMAP settings. What this allows you to do is set email to be forwarded to a different account, for example, your personal email at home or another type of email, so that you can check this account in another email account. The next tab is our chat settings. These settings allow us to customize our chat. For example, if we don't want to save our chat history, or if we have video or voice capabilities, we might want to change some of the settings in there. We can turn sounds on or off and other things. Web Clips tab is what allows us to turn off or on the little Web Clips ticker that shows up at the top of our email account. We can turn this off or on, or we can customize it to fit our needs. If you scroll down, you can see there are different categories like news, business, lifestyle, sports, technology, and fun. The Google Labs tab is an area I suggest you explore, but use cautiously. What Google Labs is a collection of features that are experimental. Some of the features serve no educational or productivity purpose, but might serve your entertainment needs well. Be careful to turn one on, use it for a while, and then turn it back off if you don't like it. Don't come in and turn a bunch on at once, just in case there are any problems. Again, Labs is experimental. You can scroll down and choose lots of different things from the Labs, so I'll let you explore that on your own. The Offline tab is an amazing feature that allows us to actually read our email that we've got in our account already in our inbox or in our stored folders offline. As you can see right now, I'm using a web browser that's not supported. It does not support offline browsing. But if you're using a supported web browser, such as Firefox, you would actually be able to archive your mail onto your local computer and then read messages when you're not connected to the internet. Your account would then sync when you got reconnected to the internet and update all of your information. The final tab is called Themes, and themes are a great way to personalize your email. They're basically color or environment schemes that you can add to give yourself a little bit more personalized feel. To add a theme, you simply click on it and your information, your environment will change. I clicked on desk and you can see what that looks like. Remember, if you change something in your settings area, if there is a save button, make sure you click on that save. In themes, there was no save button, so I'm good to go. But remember, under our General tab, there is a save. So you want to make sure you look for those save buttons and click on them when necessary.